to do another turn for me? Huh? Oh, sweetheart. Yeah, you want to do another turn? You want to do another turn for me? Yeah. You want to do another turn? Yeah. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Come on. I know you can. I know you can. Oh. Are you okay? Yeah. You're looking at the lights. You gotta try. You gotta try. Can you try another turn? Yeah. Not yet? No? Okay, come on. Ready? Come on. Turn over. Turn over. Okay, here we go. Mommy will help you, okay?